Hello guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to empty the recycle bin quickly or easily method. You can see there is our recycle bin. Just open it. You can see there is a lot of files and how to delete those files easily. Okay, just right click on the recycle bin button icon, then select empty recycle bin. After selecting that, you can see there is an option. Are you sure that if you want to permanently delete the 71 items, then just click yes. We have successfully cleaned the recycle bin. Just open it. You can see there is no file. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.